Hi everybody, today I recorded my video review for the gram-free project. If you are already making money on it, then this video will still be useful for you. Also, if you are looking for something to earn money on, they will be happy to tell you about the project and share my little secrets about how to make money in the project faster. So let's start with the fact that you earn grams inside the project. At first I was confused, but in fact when withdrawing funds they are still converted into dollars. You don't need a lot of time and effort to earn grams. It is enough to perform simple tasks that will take you 15-20 minutes a day. As for the tasks themselves, they are quite monotonous and simple. Design smart contracts, play lottery, invite friends to the project and use roles. At first I neglected the tasks which caused my earnings to stop a little. I highly recommend that you use all the opportunities to get grams that the project provides, because this way you will earn 500 grams much faster. I don't not accidentally say 500 grams because this is minimum amount they withdraw from the project. I managed not to earn money in 4 months, but in fact it can be done twice as fast you go to the project every day and complete all tasks. So if you still decide to try yourself in the project, then I'm very glad that my review was useful for you. Follow the link in the description and in a second you will earn the first grams. Good luck and bye.